about to go for a short spin. This Infiniti hesitates a little bit, and I hope I can capture it on video. It happens only here and there, but it does hesitate, and again, I'm trying to capture it on video. Right there. I just felt it. Right there. Yep, hesitated. Right there. Hesitated again. So the way to fix that, you just need to clean your throttle body and your mass airflow sensor. Hang tight, I'll show you guys how to clean it. Make sure your car is cool, or the engine is cool, when doing this maintenance. Pop the hood. In this car, throttle body's right here. Mass airflow sensors right here. Make sure the car is cool, or the engine is cool, when doing this maintenance. So we'll wait about 30 minutes to 45 minutes before doing this maintenance job. Make sure you use the right cleaner. Don't use alcohol, don't use WD-40, don't use any other thing, carburetor cleaner, whatever, brake cleaner, don't use it. Use this too right here. Throttle body for the throttle body, MAF cleaner for your mass airflow sensor. Carburetor cleaner, brake cleaner, don't use it. It'll damage your car, damage the sensor, damage the throttle body. Unplug this, press that clip. Clean it. Take off the cover. Should be good. Let me show you. Right there. Take this off. Right there. Let's take a look. There it is. Look at that. Caked up a little bit. That's the reason why it's causing that hesitation. At this point, do not fast forward this video. Fair warning, okay? Do not touch that throttle plate, or also known as butterfly. Do not touch it, okay? This is not one of those old cars where you have a linkage where you could open up the throttle plate and close it, right? This is all electronic. Turn on accessories only. Do not turn the engine on, right? Do not turn on the engine. You just want this this car turned on accessories. Do not turn the engine, okay? So now the debate between whether to spray directly to it or spray a paper towel or rag, right, with this right here, throttle body cleaner. I will leave it up to you how you want to do this. right? The trick is some people spray it on a rag or paper towel to clean this up, and the reason for it is you don't want it soaked. So you could spray directly to it and let it sit and let it dry for a good, I don't know, 45 minutes to an hour. And if you don't have the patience, then spray a rag or paper towel to clean this up. So in my case, I'm not in a rush. I'm gonna let it sit. For this Infiniti, you have to turn it off and on accessory mode to open it up and close it. Vanessa, go ahead and turn it on, accessory mode. And notice it's not opening up. And watch, I'm gonna ask her to turn it off, and that's, go for it. Okay, accessory mode again. And turn it off. Again, accessory mode, and turn it off. Accessory mode again. Go for it. Go ahead, do it a few more times, just like that. Go for it. And turn it off. Do that a few more times until you're happy. Hang tight. Let's put it back together. Take this for a spin.
Oh, you can actually feel that
It's a lot smoother.
it's very smooth.
Right?
Yeah. Okay, is this what electric cars supposed to
I
feel
know,
like?
right?
I forgot. Look at, no hesitation. The RPM is not moving. For
Yeah.
me, the biggest thing was this RPM was...
Well, don't forget we didn't change the air filter. So I'm probably going to get us an air filter and go from there. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. I think this is another successful project. Don't forget to click subscribe, click that notification bell. Thank you so much. Chat with you guys later. Bye for now.